Hello, everyone. Welcome to back my YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce Instagram model and star Sophie Rain, American model. It sounds like you're asking about a model named Sophie Rain. However, there doesn't seem to be any prominent or well-known figure by that exact name in major databases or sources, at least as of my last knowledge update in 2023. If Sophie Rain is a model or public figure that emerged recently or is a niche personality within a particular field, fashion, art, etc., there could be limited information available to me at this time. Alternatively, if you're referring to a fictional or conceptual character, please provide more details, and I'd be happy to help with that. Could you clarify whether you're asking about a specific model, a fictional character, or something else entirely? It seems that there might be some confusion or ambiguity regarding a person named Sophie Rain. As of my last update in 2023, there isn't a widely known public figure or model by that name whose birthday or other personal details are available in mainstream sources. If Sophie Rain is an emerging or niche figure, or if she is a character in a specific context, like a fictional universe, a YouTube personality, or an influencer, it's possible her details haven't been widely documented or updated in sources available to me. If you have more context or specific details about Sophie Rain, feel free to share them, and I can try to assist further. It seems there isn't a widely known public figure or model named Sophie Rain with easily accessible details, at least as of my last knowledge update. Without more context, I can't provide specific information on her personal style, fashion choices, or aesthetic. However, if Sophie Rain refers to a rising model, influencer, or creative figure in a specific industry, her style could vary widely depending on her personal brand or the work she's involved in. Generally speaking, when it comes to models, style can be categorized in several ways, whether it's high fashion, street style, bohemian, minimalist, or avant-garde, and each individual might express their unique persona through different aesthetics. If Sophie Rain is someone you're interested in within a specific context, like fashion, Instagram, or another platform, feel free to provide more details, and I'll do my best to assist based on available information. Alternatively, if she's a fictional character or a specific niche figure, I can help describe the type of style she might embody. Thank you. Subscribers my YouTube channel.